welcome to this video. In our previous video, we have seen about this flatten quilt feature. So let me show you what we have done previously. So we have turned this curved feature into a flat surface in our previous video. So now in this video, we are going to have some editing on the surface and we are going to turn this into a solid, and now we are going to turn that solid into the previous position like a curved surface by using some logos or designs inside that. Okay, some extrude cut feature by using this flatten quilt deformation. Okay, so let's get into the video. So now this is a surface, right? So I'm just going to make this as a solid. So for that, I'm just going to extrude on the surface. Let's go for the sketch view. So here I'm just going to project a loop, the entire thing in here, and then okay. So I'm just going to flip the direction towards the top, and let me keep the thickness as 10 is fine, good. And let me check whether this is on the top side. Yeah, okay, good. So the next thing here is we can now directly turn this extruded thing, like this solid part, into a curved feature like this. You can see the reference here, but here I have to change something, right? So this is a plain surface, so this can become like that, but I'm just going to add some like designs here. So for that, let me just create a circle and one more concentric circle. Let me keep this as 150 and let me keep this as 1. Okay, let's go for 170 for a good view, and two more circles inside like this. Okay, I'm not sure about these dimensions, let's keep as it is, and some couple of rounds all around like this. Okay, and yeah, okay, good. So now let's extrude this, and anyway I'm just going to remove material towards back side. Let me keep this as a punch or a die form. Okay, so this is got hole in here. So now this is a flattened surface, everything we are working into this flat surface, right? So I am just going to bring that back to a curved surface and along with this extruded part. Okay, so that is why we are going to use this flatten quilt deformation. So now after everything my work is done, right, I'm just directly go for the flatten quilt deformation. So when you get into this, you can see there are over two options in here. The one is flat surface to a curved surface, or curved surface to a flat surface. Sorry, it's not a surface. Let me call that as a feature, like a flat feature to a curve or curve to a flat. Now we have a flat feature. Now we are going to turn that into a curve. So flat to curve, we are going to select the first option, right? So first of all, when you get into the reference, you can see it has been highlighted on the red color. We have to select the flatten quilt feature. We have to select the flatten quilt. What is flatten quilt? Flatten quilt is nothing but the bend the flat piece, right? So we can directly select the flatten quilt in here. So after selecting that, you can see we have to select the geometry to bend or geometry to flatten. Now it for our scenario, like we are going to bend this, right? So geometry to bend, we have to select the geometry, whether it is a quilt or whether it is a solid body, we have to select. So this is a solid body, right? So we have to click here. Okay, if you click here, you can see only one surface is got selected, right? So it tells us to select the entire body, right? So let's go for the bodies, and I'm just going to select the entire body. So when you click on the body, you can see that the flat surface has become a bent surface in here. All right, so that's all, our purpose is done, right? So but there is one more option called curves and point. If you have to specify some curves and point, if you want to bend this material along with the curve or along with the point, you can use this option. Okay, so now that's all, we are good to go, and now I am just going to click on OK. So now you can see the thing that we have done on a flat surface has become a curved surface in here. So now we can hide this flattened quilt and now you can see we have bent this feature, right? So you can see the thickness, it will be the same as 10, right? And you can see the remove material feature, it will be on the depth too, and you can see how the thing got projected exactly on this curved surface. You can see here also we have the same thickness, and here also we have a same thickness, right? But this option, I like this option very much, as you can see this requires very like a small work, right, when compared to others, right? So that's all guys, so thanks for watching, and if you want more videos related mechanical engineering or any other content, you can comment below so that I will upload more and more videos based on that. So thank you guys, we will see the next video with a very interesting content. Until then, bye.